Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the COOLCOLD USB microphone. You can see from the diagram over here what the microphone is supposed to look like. This is a very small box, by the way. You have COOLCOLD written over here. There is not much information other than the fact there's some stuff over here. The advanced digital USB provides superior clarity with simplicity of a single USB plug and play connection. These are noise cancelling microphones. Power switch illuminates when the microphone is active, and microphone pivots on base to hold preferred positions. That's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look inside. So these are some manufacturing information and some instructions on how to set up this particular mic. I'm going to leave this over here. So this is the noise cancelling microphone from COOLCOLD. The neck is pretty flexible. You can use this base. Also the base has 4 anti-skid stops over here, so you can use this base and then swivel this mic around to whichever position that you're comfortable with and then use it accordingly. There is also an on-off button over here, single button, single use basically. And since this is a USB desktop microphone, all you have to do is plug this USB-A connector to any laptop or PC and you can start working. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the COOLCOLD USB desktop microphone. Thank you for watching.